Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kita, and as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install your wig, okay? Actually, I'm reinstalling a wig, so I'm not going to be cutting lace or anything, but I will be making sure that this wig is flat and giving scalp vibes, okay? So, let's get started. So, the wig that I'll be installing today is from Flawless Wigs by Mocha. You can find her on Instagram, Flawless Wigs by Mocha. This is the 26-inch tropical curly wig. Y'all, it is giving me life. I love this wig so much. Like I said, I already put on my wig cap. I did put a little, I'm just gonna do, what I do like to do is add powder to my wig. Well, not the wig, but the actual wig cap. So it just helps blend a little bit. So I'm just gonna take some powder. You can use any powder that's close to your skin tone. This is what I have handy right now. So let's go ahead and put it on. Okay. Whew, child. Whew, looking like a whole different person. I promise you, this is not what it's gonna look like. Let me just get this together. And what I like to do is I like to take a rat tooth comb, and I like to take this part of the comb, the tail of the comb, and I like to make sure that there's no hairs under the wig. Some people don't do this step. I find it essential. And I'm gonna make sure that there's no hair under, because there's nothing more annoying than having hair under your wig and your wig not laying flat because of it. Essential. There are essential things. Y'all need a hot comb. This is actually from Andis. This is really inexpensive. It only cost me, I believe, like $17, $18 with shipping. So get you one. This is a lifesaver. This will have your wig flat, because I don't really want no bumpy, hill looking kind of wig, okay? We ain't got time. The other day I was talking to my mom, and she was looking at somebody's wig, and she was just like, why her wig look like that? I was like, I don't know. And she was like, you need to show people how you put on your wig, because your wig don't ever look like that. And I was like, you know what, Mom? You know what? You right. So here we are. Boom. Now, what I like to do is just like kind of press it down just to have an idea of where I'm gonna be. Personally, I am a baby hair girl. I haven't mastered doing baby hairs like perfectly, but I do like baby hairs. I'm gonna take the tail of the comb, and I'm just gonna grab some hairs. I'm gonna part it. So I'm just gonna take a hot comb right now, and I'm gonna just make sure that this is flat. And I'm just gonna hot comb this back. Okay. Okay. Alright. We'll just leave it like this. This is actually not that bad. Am I giving y'all life with it? I'm not. I'm not. So the only product that I really use to lay down my wigs is got to be freeze spray glue. Okay. This right here, everything, literally everything. What I'm gonna do is shake this up, and I'm gonna start spraying. Okay, so another trick that I like to do to make sure that I know that the wig is on is I like to do a pull test. If I'm pulling and nothing's moving, then I know we're good. So this side is good. This side needs a little bit more spray. Okay guys, now that I have the wig laid, take a razor and I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna twist it because it's just so much easier. You catch it easy. So I'm going to be using Nairobi mousse to lay down my baby hair. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little baby hair brush. lay this lace down. First, we're gonna take our hot comb. I have water and conditioner in a spray bottle. The conditioner that I use is the one from Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. You can get this at Target. I think they have a 2-pack for like $5, $6, something like that. Pretty inexpensive. So I'm just gonna shake it up. This one is the Curl Construct Creation Mousse Weightless Curls with Shea Butter. Y'all ready for this? Yeah, y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? Y'all ready? Y'all not ready. Okay, y'all ready? Ooh. What? Come on, scalp. Okay, but we're not done. So right now, we're just gonna get a little bit of powder on the brush, and we're just gonna put. So I'm just gonna go in with the MAC palette. This is in the palette. This is their Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Dark. I think this color is NC50 that I'm using. Is it? Yup. I be knowing my colors. I'm just gonna press it. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. So again, the products that I did use were, let me make it look fancy for y'all, child. Jesus, let me do the YouTube thing. So like I said, I used the Curl Construct Mousse to add to the curls. I used the Nairobi to actually lay my baby hairs, and then I just had water in a spray bottle with this conditioner. And yeah, this is how I made my magic, and this is the finished look. Get into that scalp, child. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really did enjoy it, and I hope you learned something. I hope you learned a new technique. This is the finished product. I think it looks good. It looks scalpy. You see that part? It is coming from my scalp, child. You can't tell me that it's not, okay? But yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. I will be dropping more hair videos, makeup tutorials, and all that. So yeah, if you guys liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Let's interact. Let's talk. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.